Hi folks, Dr. Chris Faust, sports chiropractor here at Synergy Chiropractic in Medina. Now, when you have things like neck pain, stiff neck, stuff like, you may be wondering just why? Why is it bugging you like that? Well, first of all, your head, it weighs an average of 11 pounds. Depends on how big your head is, how thick your skull is, but think of like a bowling ball, you know. So normally you have a nice curve here in your neck. Now that bowling ball is sitting up here on top. What's going to happen is you're holding that all day long, and all of a sudden, if you start having things where your head starts pitching forward, all of those muscles and everything right down here in the back start to really work constantly. The stress, the strain, everything sucks. Everything just, it hurts it. So all of a sudden you're going along, all of a sudden, oh my goodness, you have one random motion and it hurts. A lot of you may experience something like this where you have to use your whole body to check traffic. You instead of doing this or this to look to see if there's any cars around you, you literally got to do this, almost like a Frankenstein kind of move, which not only is cumbersome, it makes you less safe of a driver because you literally can't check your blind spots. So where's it come from? So there may be some acute injury, that's obvious, slip, fall, accidents, traumas, all that good stuff. There might be some postural issues going on. There also might be some lingering arthritis, depending on, because as you get older, you get a little couple miles on your tires, it's going to start to show up. It just is. It's part of the natural process. What happens is, so say it's more of a postural issue where a lot of times we spend, we're down like this, and that's a pretty recognizable posture for a lot of people because we do it constantly, all day long, every single day, kind of that head tucked down. About 60 degrees of forward flexion, which would be about the normal texting position, is about 60 pounds of pressure on your neck and all this stuff back in through here. That's going to cause some weakened muscles in your neck. Those weakened muscles will lead to aberrant joint motion. Those sliding joints in your neck, a lot of times we refer to as facet joints, can get stuck and just not moving properly. I say stuck loosely. They're just not moving like they should. Things like gentle adjustments, whether it's by an instrument or by hand, or mobilizations, exercises, all of these things can help to minimize that neck pain. So when next time you go to Google, why does my neck hurt? The reason why is because muscles, tendons, ligaments, joints, they are not moving properly, and there is something that needs to be done to fix it. It's telling you to pay attention to it. So if you're suffering from anything like that, I'll be happy to help you out. Have a great day, guys.